Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save chat as PDF on Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for a Claude Exporter extension and install it from your browser's official extension store. Before installing, review the ratings and permissions to ensure it is safe to use. Once installed, you're ready to export your chat. Next, search for Claude AI on Google and open the official website. When the page loads, locate the sidebar that displays your conversations. If it's hidden, expand it. Select the conversation you want to save as a PDF and make sure it contains the correct content. Now, open the exporter extension from your browser toolbar or on the page. This will open the export panel. Inside the panel, choose the Answers option to focus on the assistant's responses for a cleaner document. Then, click the Export button and select PDF as your format. Finally, click Generate and wait for the file to process. Once completed, the PDF will download to your device. Open it to review and rename it if needed. So that's basically how you can save chat as PDF on Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.